Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. And this is my friend GMC truck that he customized. And we're gonna walk around and let you guys look at it. He also a cowboy fan. So I'm gonna let y'all see that also. GMC. He got little spots on the front of it that need painting. You got 24s on it. Nice tinted windows. Sleek body. It's kind of dirty right now. He got a roll pan. Also, he had a custom lights at the back. And he had the custom light tinted LED. Yep, as we walk to the other side of the truck, same thing. The LED lights, roll pan, no bumper. Everything custom. Everything is custom. He's doing some more things to it. But I was bringing it to the channel to let y'all see one of the trucks that my friend is driving. Custom lowrider GMC. And I think it's one of the best looking trucks in this area. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.